Want this glowy, smooth, dewy glass skin look? Today I will show you step by step so you can recreate it easily at home. Start with a good moisturizer. This is the secret to that plump, hydrated, dewy skin. Apply generously and gently massage into your face. Don't forget your lips. Apply lip balm early so your lips stay soft and glossy by the end. Then wait for 5 minutes. Now use a illuminating primer. This gives that lift from within glow. Focus on high point of your face. Then use with your fingers. It's blend very well. Apply a thin layer of foundation, keep it light and natural. Dewy makeup is all about skin, not heavy coverage. Be patient and blend it very well. I know it's a little bit time consuming, but never drag it, just blend it like tap 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 tap. Now add a second lightweight glowy foundation for extra radiance. Blend softly for that glass skin finish. Use concealer under the eyes and on any blemishes. After applying concealer, wait 1 or 2 minutes for extra coverage. Then blend with a beauty blender on upward motion. Set slightly with loose powder. Don't overdo it. We still want this glow and shine. Apply only under eyes, not other place. Then contour my nose softly. Keep it subtle and natural. Dewy style is a delicate, not harsh. Apply blush slightly higher on the cheeks and across the nose for that cute and youthful look. Start with a soft brown eyeshadow as your base and don't forget your lower lid. Eyeshadow on top for that dewy vibe. Then create a gazelle for cute under eyes puff. First I'm applying dark brown, then apply concealer. Then again I'm using a dark brown shade with a thin brush. Create a small line. Then applying a brown eyeshadow under the waterline. Draw a thin liner, slightly extended but soft. Keep it natural and not too dramatic. Line my lips softly, slightly overlined for the fuller looks. Using a brown eyeshadow, applying red lipstick in the center of my lips and blend upward for the radiant effect. Then apply a lip gloss. Applying highlighter to inner corner, nose and eyebrows and cheeks also. This step completes the glowing dewy look. And that's the dewy glass skin look. Remember, hydration, soft layer and glow are the keys for this makeup look. So thank you so much for watching my video.